Most people think moving into a 55 plus community means shrinking their life. But what if it actually expanded it? Now, here, every home is designed around a private garden courtyard, a layout you almost never see in this category. I'm at the Courtyards on Robinson Church in Harrisburg, North Carolina. And we're going to take a closer look at whether this lifestyle really justifies a $600,000 plus price tag. Now let's talk about the homes. They offer 3 floor plans ranging from about 1,600 to 3,200 square feet. The standout feature is the private garden courtyard. Every home is built around its own enclosed outdoor space, giving you privacy, light, and true indoor-outdoor living without yard work. These aren't your dark, traditional ranches. They're packed with huge windows and designed to pull natural light into every room. Everything you need is on the main floor. They add those special touches like zero-entry front doors, garages, and showers. I've not seen that with any other builder. You can opt for a second-story bonus suite if you need extra room for guests or a hobby space. Now, let's talk numbers because this matters. Base prices here start in the 500,000s. Yes, you can technically stay under 600,000, but once you start adding design selections and upgrades, most buyers are realistically going to land in the 600s. Now, buyers wanting maximum square footage and higher end finishes will easily end up in the 700s. Here's their on-site model. It's called the Promenade. Now, it's their largest floor plan. The model also includes the optional bonus space upstairs. Let's see what you get for your money. Amenities will include a clubhouse and fitness center, outdoor pool, pocket parks, and a walking trail. Courtyard's located in Harrisburg, North Carolina. It's about a 25 to 30-minute ride into uptown Charlotte, and just off to the west, you can see Charlotte Douglas International Airport. If you're researching 55 plus communities near Charlotte or trying to decide whether a community like this one makes sense for your lifestyle, I'm happy to help you compare options. Please check the description or comments for more details. And I'll see you in the next tour. Remember, the person that works in the model home represents the builder, not you. That's where I come in. I'm here to help you and look out for your best interests.